What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick?
I love you. You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
But I'm gonna get you a dad, though. You want a daddy? You want a dad?
Baby, that's what I said. No.
Do that again.
Why? Dude, you're gonna put my blanket.
Kai is a big pumper, overstimulated.
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies.
All the way. Come here.
Blink if you want some chicken.